Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody, how are you student? I think you will be fine. This is my third lecture on Raymond Murphy's grammatical book. Today we are going to compare and contrast present continuous and present simple. In my earlier lecture I told you in present simple the action is repeated. It repeats again and again. But in present continuous, the action is not repeated. It's not complete. As you can see here in the book, it's quite clear from this sentence that the action is not complete. If you look at this line, the writer has endeavored his best to explain present continuous by drawing it on the line. I am doing now. It represents present. Here is past and here is future. And it is described on the center as present continuous, in which the action continues but it's not permanent. But here you can see on the line it is described as present simple on the scale line. Here is the past, here is the future. These two arrows show that action is repeated again and again, again and again, again and again. Okay, now please look at these sentences. You have particularly to look at the verbs. Look here, is boiling. It means that the water is boiling. The action is incomplete. When he says that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, it means that the action is repeated again and again. Listen to those people. What language are they speaking? When we say speaking, it means that the action is incomplete. It is not completed. It doesn't rain very much in summer. Look here, it doesn't rain. It shows repeated action. I am getting hungry. Let's go and eat. It means that the person is hungry for a temporary time. The same is true of the other sentences. The population of the world is increasing. It means that the population is increasing temporarily. Every day the population of the world increases. Here, increases means that the population is going to be increased again and again, again and again. So you must remember one thing, that in present continuous the action is temporary, but in present indefinite the action is generally repeated. Now we come to here construction of always. When you say I always do something, it means that it's your habit. It means that it's your habit or you are going as a routine. But when you say I am always doing, it means this is not your habit, but you are doing something occasionally. For example, look here, I always do something. It means I do it every time. But when I say I always go to work by car, it also means that this is my habit. You cannot say not I am always going, because when you use always going, it means the action is temporary. I am always doing something has different meaning. For example, I have lost my phone again. I am always losing things. When you say that I am always losing things, it means that you are losing things time and again, temporarily. I am always losing things. I lose things very often, temporarily, not permanently. So this is the difference of usage of always with present continuous and with present simple. Once again, I tell you, when you use always with present, it means it's your routine, it's your habit. But when you use always with present continuous, it means that you are doing it very often, not permanently. Now please look at the next. In this exercise, you particularly have to look at the verbs. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's truth. And with those things which are true, we use present indefinite. The water boils. Can you turn it off? No. Why? When the second sentence demands, can you turn it off? It means that water is boiling. Water is boiling. You cannot say that water boils here, because the second sentence demands the action is temporary and continuing form. Look, the man tries to open the door of the car. No, the man is trying to open the door of car. Why? Because the action is temporary, it's not permanent, it is not his habit. Can you hear those people? What do they talk about? No, it's not correct. What are they talking about? Because the action is incomplete. The moon goes around the sun in about 27 days. This is correct. Why? Because it is a universal truth, and for universal truth we use present indefinite. I must go now, it gets late. No, it's getting late. Why? Normally get is used with present continuous when the action is incomplete. I usually go to work by car. That's okay, because it is his habit. Hurry up, it's time to leave. It means that action is incomplete. Okay, I come. No, I am coming. The action is incomplete, in continuous form. I hear you have got a new job. How do you get on? No, I hear you have got a new job. How are you getting on? You cannot say how do you get on, because the action is incomplete. It's in continuous form. Paul is never late. He is always getting to work on time. Okay, now please look here. Paul is never late. It means that he is never late. He is always getting to work on time. Okay. Next. They don't get on well. They are always arguing. The action is incomplete. They don't get on well. They are always arguing. They always argue. Put the verbs into correct form, present continuous or present simple. You have to decide whether present continuous will come or present indefinite will come. Let's go. It's not raining. Now, look here. Because of now, we are using present continuous. Julia is very good at language. She speaks 4 languages very well. Yes, it's okay. Hurry up. Everybody wait for you. Hurry up shows that the action is continuous. Everybody is waiting for you. You listen to the radio? No, you can't turn it off. Are you listening to the radio? No, you can't turn it off. Action is incomplete. You listen to the radio every day. Every day. Look, this one shows the habit. Now you can say, do you listen to the radio every day? No, just occasionally. So for habit, we use present indefinite. The river Nile flows into Mediterranean. This is the universal truth. so we'll use present indefinite. The river flow very fast today. Look here, much faster than usual. When you say much faster than usual, it means that it's not the routine of river to flow very fast, but today it is flowing very fast. It means that it is against the routine of the river. When something is against the routine, we use present continuous. Number 8. We usually grow vegetables in our garden, but this year, now please look here. Usually grow means that it is our routine. It is the routine that they use to grow vegetables in their garden. But this year, when he says this year, it means that it is against routine. When something is against the routine, it means the action is not complete, it is in continuous form. So you will use, but this year we are not growing any. 9. How's your English? Not bad. I think it improved slowly. I think it is improving slowly. Why? If you say it improves slowly, this is not correct. Slowly shows that the action is in continuous form. It is improving slowly. Raquel is in New York right now. Right now also shows the present. She stay at the Park Hotel. Okay, now please. Raquel is in New York right now. It means that before this she was not in New York. Remember the situation. When somebody says Raquel is in New York, it means that she was not in New York before this. She stay at the Park Hotel. It means that she is going to stay here for a short time. So you will use she is staying. You cannot say she stays. She always stays there when she is in New York. She always, when you say she always stays, it means that it is her habit. Now you can use present indefinite. She always stays there when she is in New York. Can you stop walking soon? I start to feel tired. Can you stop walking soon? I am starting to feel tired. It shows that the action is continuous. Can you drive? I learn my father. Can you drive? This is the question. I learn my father. I am learning. When you say I am learning, it means that the action is in continuous form. And when you say my father teaches me, it will come in present because it is a routine of his father to give him a lesson. And you know very well that present indefinite is used for routine, for general truth, and for facts. Normally I finish work at 5. It means that it is his habit. But this week, okay, now please look here, it is against his routine. Then he will say, but this week I am working until 6 to earn a little more money. 13. Normally, okay, finish. I work until 6 to earn a little more money. I work until 6 to earn a little more money. It means that it is his habit. When it is his habit, it will come in present indefinite. My parents live in Manchester. They were born there and have never lived anywhere else. It means they were living there permanently. If something is permanent, the action is not temporary. It will come in my parents live in Manchester. That's okay. Where your parents live? My parents live in Manchester. They were born there and have never lived anywhere else. Where are your parents? Where do your parents live? Yes, talking about present. Where do your parents live? Sonia look for a place to live. Sonia is looking for a place to live. The action is continuous. She stay with her sister until she finds somewhere. Look the situation. She is staying with her sister until she finds somewhere else. It means that the action is not completed. She is living with her sister temporarily. 16. What does your brother do? He is an architect, but. Okay, look here. When then it comes but, it means that action is not completed. It is in continuous form. He is an architect, but he is not working at the moment. At the moment is also a word which shows present continuous. At a party. I usually enjoy parties. Look here, usually. It means that it is his habit. Usually shows habit. I usually enjoy parties, but I not enjoy this one very much. It means that it is against routine. But I am not enjoying this one very much. Okay, you understand? You must have to remember two things. If the action is in continuous form, we will use present continuous. But if the action is completed, it represents fact, it represents habit, it represents general truth, we use present indefinite. Finish B sentence using always plus ing. Okay, please tell me again. I want to ask you a question. Do you know when always is used with present continuous, what does it mean? Can you remember? It means that the action will happen only for a limited time. For example, if I say I always dropping things and they break, it means that I drop the things very often for some time. Okay, when always and ing are used, it means that the action is going to happen for some time. Present continuous and present simple too. I am doing and I do. Please look at these verbs like want, need, prefer, know, realize, suppose, mean, understand, believe, remember. Okay, if I ask you a question, can you tell me whether these verbs are stative or dynamic? I taught you earlier. Surely they are stative verbs. And you must remember one thing, that when you are going to use stative verbs, they actually represents abstract situation. For example, like when you like something, it's not going to change. When you want something, it's not likely going to change. So these verbs go with present indefinite rather than present continuous. Remember this thing. It is very important that stative verbs are not used with present continuous form. They are used with present indefinite. And what are the stative verbs? The stative verbs are the verbs which represents some situation. Most of the time they belong to your 5 proper senses. Now please look at all these verbs. You will find them that they are stative. Want, it is stative. Mean, it is stative. Understand, it's stative. Think, it's stative. But it is very important. Look here. When think means believe or have an opinion, we don't use it in the continuous form. For example, this is very important. I think Mary is Canadian, but I am not sure. It means that I have opinion that Mary is Canadian. What do you think of my plan? But when again it represents opinion. But when think doesn't represent opinion, but it means consider, then continuous form is okay. For example, I am thinking about what happened. It means that I am using my mind. I am not going to give any opinion to somebody. This is the difference. So please remember, when think is used to show belief or opinion, continuous form cannot be used. But when think means using your mind or considering something, then continuous is okay. Now please look at C. Hear, smell and taste. Can you see? These verbs belong to stative category, and they belong to our 5 proper senses: sense of seeing, sense of listening, and sense of tasting, like that. So stative verbs, you know very well, they are always used with present instead of continuous. So you cannot use continuous form with these verbs. Now please come here. Look and feel. This is very important. Look and feel can be used both with the present continuous and with the present indefinite. Why? Because they represent some condition. For example, you look very well today. That's okay, because it represents your condition, your feelings. You are looking well today. It's also okay. How do you feel now, or how are you feeling now? Feel and look, these are the 2 verbs which go against the normal rule, because they are also stative verbs, but we can use them both with the present continuous and present simple. Again, this is very important. What's the difference between selfish and being selfish? Okay, please understand it carefully. When you say that Akram is selfish, it means that it is his habit. He is always selfish with everybody. But when you say Akram is being selfish, it means that he is not selfish normally, but for the time being he proves himself to be selfish. This is the difference. Selfish means permanently selfish, and being selfish means temporarily selfish. He is being selfish, he is behaving, he is acting. Compare. I cannot understand why is he being so selfish. Being so selfish means that he is selfish for the time being. Okay, you can see here. Being selfish means behaving selfishly at the moment. Okay, but when you say he is selfish, it means that it is his habit. He is permanent selfish. This is also very important. Is or being. Where can you use? Look here, brother. Am, is, or, am being, is being, or being. They represent some situation. They represent some situation. So how somebody is behaving. Look here. When is, am, or used in this sense, it means how somebody is behaving. It is not usually possible in other sentences. It's hot today. Okay, but you cannot say it's being hot. No, because particularly am or is being, they are used with human beings and they show somebody's behavior. Sarah is very tired. You cannot say that she is being tired. Now please put the verb into the correct form, present continuous or present simple. Please I tell you one most important thing. When you are going to solve this exercise, you must remember three things in your mind. I am going to write here. When you are going to attempt this exercise, remember these things. Remember whether the verbs are stative or dynamic. This is very important. The second thing you have to remember is the situation. You must remember the situation in which the verbs are used. The third thing, you must be careful with frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs. I taught you about frequency adverbs in my earlier lecture. Once again, I am going to explain. Frequency adverbs mean to what extent somebody has done the action. This is called frequency adverb. Are you hungry? Do you want? Look this one. Before going to solve, you have to look this one. Want. What is this? Stative or dynamic? Use. Stative or dynamic? Need. Stative or dynamic? Want. Look. Believe. Remember. Now is also very important. It represents time roundabout. Okay, think. Use. Consist. Now please think over these verbs and try to decide whether they belong to stative category or dynamic category. Are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? Why have you used here do? Because want is stative verb. Don't put the dictionary away. I am using it. Why using it? Because it is dynamic verb. When you use something, you do some action. Don't put the dictionary away. I need it. Why present indefinite? Because this is stative verb. Who is that man? What is he want? No, because want is stative. What does he want? Who is that man? Why? Look. You can use in both way. Why is he looking at us? Alan says he is 80 years old, but okay, nobody believes him. Why believe? Because this is stative verb. She told me her name, but I don't remember it now. Why don't remember? Because it is stative verb. I think of selling my car. Would you be interested in buying it? Look here please. The sentence has come where you can understand both the different meanings of think. Okay, I am thinking of selling my car. Why I am thinking of? Because he is planning. He is planning. When somebody plans, he can use present continuous with think. I think you should sell your car. That's okay. Next, you not use it very often. Very often means not for the long time. You are not using it very often. Okay. Ear consists mainly of because it's a universal truth. So the most important thing here is to be careful about the difference between present indefinite and present continuous. Please look here. Use the words in brackets to make sentences. You should also study unit 3 before you do this exercise. You must please try to understand the situation. Number 1, you not seem very happy today. Look here please, today. You don't seem very happy today. Today is also used, and then seem is also state of verb. So surely the two things indicate it must be used in present and definite tense, because this is state of verb and today is used with present. What you do? Be quiet, I think. What are you doing? It will come here. What are you doing? Because she is going to ask the question. Be quiet, I think. Number 3. Who this umbrella belong to? I have no idea. Who does this umbrella belong to? Belong to is a state of verb. The dinner smell good. The dinner smells. Why smells? Because it is state of verb. Why? Excuse me. Anybody sit here, dear? Excuse me. Is anybody sitting there? Why? When you use sitting there, it means the action is incomplete, not complete. These gloves fit me. These gloves don't fit me. They are too small. Present. Are the underlined words right or wrong? Correct them where necessary. Nikkei is thinking of giving up her job. Okay. What do you mean by thinking of here? Is thinking of. This is continuous. It means that she is believing, or she is deciding, or she is having an opinion. Are you believing in God? No. Because believe is state of verb and you must use do you believe in God. I am feeling hungry. Okay. You can use, because feeling, I told you, feeling and look only are the two state of verbs which can go with both the present and definite and present continuous. I am feeling hungry. Is there anything to eat? It's okay. This sauce is great. It's tasting really good. No, this sauce is great. It tastes really good. Why it tastes? Because it is state of verb. I am thinking this is your key. Am I right? Okay, no problem. Next. Complete the sentences using the most suitable form of be. Use am, is, are, being. Okay, please look here. Am, is, are, being. Do you know where are they used? They are used in continuous where possible. Otherwise, use am, is, are simple. This is important. I cannot understand why he is being so selfish. Okay, please look here. Being so selfish means that he is temporarily selfish. So please remember this thing. When you use, all right, here the pop-up notes for your explanation. Am being, are being, is being. Okay. When you use am being, as being, or being, it means against the normal routine. For example, when he says that he is being so selfish, it means that normally he is not selfish, but he is being selfish for the time being. So when we use am being, are being, is being, it means against the normal routine. Look here. He is not usually like that. The answer has come. Sarah, very nice to me at the moment. I wonder why. Sarah is being very nice to me at the moment. It means when you say is being very nice at the moment, it means that for this moment she is very nice. I wonder why. It means that normally she was not very nice. You will like Sophie when you meet her. She is very nice. It means okay, she is nice all the time. You are usually very patient. So why? It means it is again against the routine. So why are you being so unreasonable about waiting 10 minutes? Why is not Steve at work today? He is ill. Okay, it's normal. Thank you very much. So nice of you. Enjoy your time and please do the assignment, solve the exercises, take the snapshot and send in the group. Thank you very much. So nice of you. अल्लाह करे लेक्चर उत्थे चला गया हो।